Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the input function given by the C++. In this program, I'm using some input functions. That is the first input function. There are input functions Cn. There are five input functions given by the C++ program, and everyone have their own credibility, own functionality. So in statement, it is a predefined object that read data from the keyboard with the extraction operator, that is the angle bracket. This operator will allow you to accept data from the standard input device. Syntax is C in and two angle brackets, and then you have to write a variable. To do the example, I just use my online compiler, that is program is, and it's the best choice to use it because the program clarify and the output is there. So it's very nice to use, easy to use. So it's a program describing input function, and first three line you all very well know if you see my previous programs, previous videos, that these are the basic structure, the syntax of the program. You have to write these three lines, three, four, and five, must in every C++ program. Line number three explains that you have to include your standard input output header file which have the all the instructions for the compiler of C++ to tell the CPU of the computer that what we are going to do and how we are going to take input and give output on the screen and keyboard, how we have to using it. Line number four is using namespace std. It's a indicator that we are using the standard namespace of the C++. And line number five will indicate the main function of the program. We are going to start from here. Int is described that we are going to take some kind of a value from here. The flower bracket describes that the body of the program starts here, and we have to function in between these two flower brackets. It is the opening flower bracket, and there is the closing that tell the compiler that the body of the program ends over here. So here I at line number 7 I just declare a statement ending with the statement terminator, which is, as you all know very well, is semicolon. Now I'm declaring this statement that I am using a variable named a with a data type int. Int is the short form or a keyword of for the integer. That a is a variable. What is a variable? A variable is a memory location named as a, where I will use to save my value when I enter, or the user will save the value when it will be entered by, and it will be there as far as the program is there in the memory. So line number 8 is the actual thing we have to discuss, that is the C function taking value from user and storing the value in the given variable. As A is a variable, so there are 26 alphabets, so you can use any kind of any alphabet for the name variable name. But remember, C++ is a case sensitive, so if you are using capital A, you have to use the capital A in every variable where you want that value which you store in the variable to use. So capital A and small have two different values. You cannot write capital A over here and using small a over here for the function or for anything. It will be create a lots of problem for the compiler, and it will be indicating you the error that variable not declared. So this is the declaration. As you can see, I am not using any output function which is not going to display any kind of message on the screen. This program just to use uh, take the any value from the user. I'm not indicating anything from for the user. I'm just not displaying anything. Return zero is the ending that tell the compiler also you have to return something. But if you run this program, so there is no message and you don't know what you have to do. You just, as I am writing the program of scene, so I have to write some any kind of integer, and it will not do anything from it. So what we have to do, we have to use cout statement. We have to use cout statement to display message to tell the user what it's going to be, because blank string never ever is very user friendly because you don't know what to do. So enter any number. So this will indicate that you have to enter any number. So if you run this, now you can see the difference. See out will display, okay, there is a error. Remember to end Okay, let's discuss the error. It's good thing. Error is on line number 8. It indicating with this, and we are missing this semicolon. So you have to enter a semicolon every time you write any statement. That will indicate that the statement is ended. So if we run it, so enter any number 6, you write any number and nothing, because we are going nothing to do with that number. Now you can use operators or whatever you want. In this way you can enter a number, and you can use any number by using this cin statement. So the second function is get ch statement. What is the get ch statement? Get ch statement is a predefined function. This function is defined in conio.h console. For that reason, we have to write one another file, that is hash include angle bracket conio.h angle bracket. So So we have included it. Then it says it is, what is conio? It is standard form of console input and output header file. Remember, this is another header file which have the instructions for some of the input output functions. It is used to get a single character from the keyboard during execution of the program. The enter character is not printed on the screen. It is used to hold the output string until the user presses any key from the keyboard. So let's write it. Here we you don't have to declare anything separately. We are going to declare it using char. As you have to take any character, we are using character data type, and I'm having a variable name ch. I'm just removing these. Now ch will going to store the variable that will be entered by the user, and ch, how ch will get that character? Ch is equal to, when you write get ch, it will not display anything on the screen, but it will give you get the value from the user, get a character from the user. That is, when you write integer int before by using cin, that will only allow you to enter numbers without decimal points. And for get ch, that is only a character. Character means anything that is on the keyboard, any alphabet, any number, any symbol, they will act as a character. If you enter any number and you are going to make something, you cannot calculate, use that number for calculation, because that will be a single character. So I just take any kind of character, and I'm just displaying some message. Any message you can display. Please remember to end the statement with semicolon, otherwise you will going to have a many problem. See out. Let's see if can display a number and return 0 is there. So let's see. Let's run this program and see how get a character from us. Okay, now compilation terminator, no directory. So here we don't have any con IO state header file in this. So we delete it from here. Let's see if it runs or get us the result in this scope. Okay, so the header files are not helping us. So we are going to get something from the header file. I will, let's see, get this program to you, because this compiler is not going to include this header file. I think it's unable to connect online with this header file. So errors are there. That is not a problem. Main thing to just understand what this thing is going to do. Okay, I'll just use another compiler and come back again to tell you what it's going to do. Thank you.